All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Packy, my sister, Maddie Hanrahan, and today we got these really, really small bowling balls and these really, really skinny bowling pins. And today it's not regular 10 pin, we're bowling candle pin style, which means Maddie's gonna crush me. So the rules are, it is 3 shots per frame. If you get a strike, if you get them all down after 1, it's a strike, all down after 2, it's a spare, and all down after 3, it just counts for however many pins you knock down. It's really hard to get strikes and spares, so hopefully I'm shooting for maybe like a 90 something. All right, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more challenges between me and my sister, or if you guys want to see any more challenges at all, just subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other videos. But before then, let's get into it.
That's not how that works.
That's exactly how that works.
No, it's not.
Want to talk about it? Guys, they didn't even put any oil on the lane. This is ridiculous.
I thought you were wearing shorts.
I am wearing shorts, but it's freezing in here. Shots down below, get some normal ones. Oh, back up. Stay on the lane. Oh. Maybe. Get some help.
That is what you want.
Nice.
You gotta play off the pins, Packy.
That would be your third throw.
Oh, right, I whiffed on the first one.
You cheater. You cheater. Yeah, I guess that's another rule like we didn't explain. The pins don't re-rack like they do in bowling every time, so you're allowed to use like live pins on the deck to like get spares or strikes or other pins. So like she hit the dead, or the live wood, I guess, is what we would call in like 10 pin bowling. She hit the live wood, but you can use that to like spare and strike and all that stuff. So an interesting strategy comes into play. I'll take 7. A spare opportunity, one might say. Hook. Oh, son of a pissed. I thought that was a spare. Like 5 sure, I thought that was a spare.
Swing and a miss.
Show my go. Back-to-back 8s. You can say I have the lead by 2. Good luck in high scoring.
Good luck in high scoring.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
That's unfortunate.
It's a pretty unlucky break if you ask me. Okay, question. Do we know if you can use the pins in the gutter?
Yeah.
You can?
Anything that falls. You can't re-rack.
So like I could launch one down the gutter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. Okay, what'd you get, 7?
It's wildly frustrating.
You have 21, what do you mean it's frustrating?
I know, I'm usually better than this stuff.
on. I call myself a professional. This is ridiculous.
No longer your game against Frankie.
Lots of live wood up there.
Yeah, that's a good sign for you.
Lots of live wood. We're gonna need to use some of those. Hopefully I can get it to the right side of the lane. No. Wow.
That's bad. 6. Whoops.
I didn't think there was any room for me to get 0.
6.
That sucks.
You gotta get like all of your bowling buddies.
Because I hope MGH is watching.
I hope they are.
Beep, beep, beep. Hook! Yeah, bleep, bleep, bleep. Oh yeah. Spare? I guess it.
Oh!
You got 9, that's good.
Not a spare. It's only a spare if you had the first 2.
I know. Current scoring update. Packy's got some work to do. Oh!
Split. Bing! You're annoying.
Oh, that's down the middle.
Yeah, it is.
I need to throw like 3 balls at once.
Don't call it a comeback.
I won't, don't worry. Maybe I'll curve it. Curve it in there.
Yeah, you can try.
Counts when it bounces out of the gutter. Also, candlepin rule.
I think it might actually if you're tied. Freezing.
Got a little tie game after 4. You want to give him an update? You want to
Packy
talk?
sucks.
Yeah, go say that again.
Packy sucks.
Perfect. I call it my job. Oh man. Haha, split.
Nope.
Listen, just because I throw it in the gutter doesn't mean you have to make me feel any better by also throwing it in the gutter. No! 36 to 30.
Do I get another beer?
Axe a little offset. This is perfect. I just like that doesn't happen in bowling. You know, you would
Yes,
get
it does.
you would get like 3 there, not 1.
That's better.
I'm gonna try something here.
Worked well for you.
I tried to just I hit it solid. I needed to hit the side of it so it would helicopter over there.
Nope.
Embarrassing. Currently have a 1-pin lead.
I know. This is when it all falls apart. That's better.
Oh, you almost got a spin.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
that was so
that's so
close.
close. 9.
All right, Maddie got 9. Time for me to step my game up.
Yeah, that looked good.
Oh! Oh! Need to frickin' hit this pin right away. I'm a sniper. Literally, I lose like every challenge.
Well, this might be the first one you
I lose like every challenge, so I got a spare. Hook. All right. This, you're gonna get some there. Oh.
Come on.
Very not. Oh, this pin's coming out.
I know.
It's coming towards you.
Come now.
Oh God.
Ah!
Yeah. What? I need to capitalize on this spare. It's a must.
You're gonna get 0.
If I get 0, I'll be so. Maybe I should start lining up.
Maybe not.
Stand on 20, hit 23. 2?
2, 3.
That's not capitalizing
How
on the
many
spare.
is that?
That's 3. That's 3. That's just not capitalizing on the spare. Maybe I just stink at this game.
Maybe. Probably.
But that's probably it, to be honest.
Probably. Maybe not.
Okay, I'll take 9.
Maybe not.
3 on the spare.
You gotta press the re-rack button.
That gives me 50 in the 6th.
How many do I have?
And then 9 total, which gives me 59. It's currently 54 to 59. Good luck.
What frame are we in?
Frame 8. 8th frame update. Okay.
I'll take it.
Hook. Oh. It did hook a little bit.
A little bit.
I can sense the anger. It's gonna get some. Okay.
That was a bummer.
That's it. I gotta spin it on my imaginary towel. Should I throw it two-handed? Is that the key?
You can try.
I don't even know what the key is. Maybe I'll just throw this one slow.
That's definitely it.
That's the last time I do that. Two-handed? Maddie is what they call back in the game.
Yeah, the button.
Press the re-rack. I'm so used to it racking on its own.
I know.
Those shoes are awesome though.
Amazing. This is what I wanted for the wedding, but you couldn't pull through.
You never told me that.
No, I know. You also probably couldn't get these because they're from like the 60s.
I mean, it wouldn't be hard to find. That was bad. I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble right now.
Yeah.
Hook!
Nope.
I still think I'm in trouble. I got 4 total pins last frame.
Nope. This is when Maddie starts doing poorly.
Maddie, I have 63 in the 8th. Maddie's got 68 in the 9th.
The problem is my candle pin score is usually not that much better than my regular. Yep, that'll do.
That pin's there, I need to throw it right. I need to go fast.
Bummer. You have 71.
What's the score? I gotta make
You have
this.
71 right now.
I'm gonna hook it a little bit. Man, I thought that was gonna make it.
Is this going into the fence right now?
This is.
Yeah.
Get in here.
Do you want a TV timeout? Do you want a TV timeout
No.
update? How we feeling? Talk to the camera. Tell them how you're feeling. Tell them how you're feeling.
I don't.
Tell them how you're feeling.
Bad. Good? Ready?
I feel like I'm in prime position to win this match.
I know, I think
Not
you
gonna
were
lie.
too.
Wow, that's a good shot. Oh! You got some help with the pins up there, though.
A little bit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you got some help.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on a second. Oh, devastating.
Devastating.
A devastating break. We needed a spare there for the bonus shot. That's 1. That's 1. All right. You got 9, which leaves you with 67.
So I need you to absolutely blow it. No, that's not true.
77.
77.
Leaves you with 77.
Cheater.
I need a total of 7.
Good luck.
I'm definitely gonna be sweating here if I get like 1 on the first
Good
shot.
luck in low scoring. Don't
Good
blow
luck
it.
in low scoring. Oh no!
That's 2.
I'm not nervous. You're
5
nervous.
more.
I swear I'm not nervous.
Man,
That's 8. That's a win.
that's devastating. Oh, come on. You literally won by 1 pin.
Got a win on the channel.
Just 1.
Hey, good game.
He's here.
Got a win on the channel. All
You're
right.
the worst.
Hey, good match. We appreciate having Maddie Hanrahan at Instagram on. Yeah, we appreciate having her on the channel. Tell us if you guys like candlepin bowling, if you've ever been candlepin or duckpin bowling. I think duckpin's a little more popular than candlepin. I think candlepin is like strictly Northeast Massachusetts area. So tell me if you guys like it, and we out. Peace.